Going to do a little installation video and product review on this aluminum gas cap fuel filter you can get from Amazon or eBay. I'll have a link in the description below. So the first box comes with that O-ring there and the actual filter itself. The second box is just the aluminum fuel filter cover there. There's the brand on it. Like I said, I'm basically I'll leave a link down in the description and everything. The reason I'm doing this, first of all, I don't think having plastic on an engine that's going to get hot and cold and everything else is necessarily a good idea. But also this cap that mine has, there's no real obvious way. There's no nut on the top. There's no spots to put a screwdriver through it. You can see where I tried to kind of chisel it with a screwdriver there at one point. It was just breaking on me. So I'll show you what I did to get this off as we move through the process of installing the new one. So the first thing we want to do is get up in here and relieve the pressure off of this system. So you can see this little yellow handle down here. Take that, I'm trying to do it where my hand's not in the way, and push it back. I can actually hear it bubbling and draining. Give it a couple seconds. Shouldn't take too long to relieve that pressure. So what I've done the only other time I've removed this is actually use an oil filter wrench. It's the only thing I could figure out to get down in there and turn it and loosen it. Basically, I just found a way for these fingers to spread out far enough to fit down in a few of those little holes like that. And then you're able to turn it. I might not be able to do it one hand while filming, but that does work. There we go. Now that I've busted it loose, the little tool does work. I'm just not a big fan of using that for something it wasn't meant for, and I know there's an easier way. Having that socket on top of the new one will be really, really nice when it's time to change this out. So unscrew it all the way. I've got a rag sitting here. Gonna cover up some stuff just in case any decides to come out. And it just lifts off. The old cap. Go ahead and grab that little gasket. Set it off to the side. Wiggle this loose. There we go. Just did back and forth, both different directions, and it'll let go eventually. Set that in the old housing there. And there we go. So I'm going to take a clean rag here, just go around the inside of this, where that little gasket or O-ring, whatever you want to call it, is going to sit. Sure there's no dirt or anything. Give it its best chance to seal up. Next step's just to get a little diesel. Put a little diesel on my finger there. I'm going to put it around this gasket here. This piece sits down in here this way. Black side into the cap, this side down. Got that in there. Set this down nice and slow. Can. There we go. Starting to seat now. Just have to kind of push and wiggle a little bit. I'm trying to take it slow so it doesn't splash any of the fuel out of here. Gonna give it a pretty good press though to get it all the way seated down on there. Okay. Get the gasket in place there. Like I said, I put a little diesel on it. Take our new cap. tightened it down with a 1-inch socket. Had a little bit of trouble in the one video. It looked like I was spinning it a lot, because I was. The filter was sitting just a hair off center, so I moved it over where it was nice and centered up, and then this threaded right in. So next step we're gonna do, go over here and prime it a couple times. That's doing basically is allowing that fuel bowl to fill back up, so we're not doing a dry crank here. We want it to have fuel ready to go right when we try to start it. So I'm gonna do that 3 times, maybe even 4 to be safe. Doesn't hurt anything. And we're gonna fire it off, and we're gonna see if, make sure there's no leaks. Looks good to me. Oh yeah, I'm happy with it. For 10 or 12 bucks more than you can buy a plastic one for. That's a pretty good deal. You know, I know a lot of the brands are asking $100 just for the billet caps. So this was 41, I think. Like I said, I'll share the link in the description, but as long as it doesn't break or leak on me, I think we're pretty good, and I'm happy with it.